So in this video I will demonstrate you with some different storage provider, that is Dropbox, like how you can sync all of the files and attachments from your Dropbox cloud storage connection to your Odoo. So after installing our module, you just need to go again to configuration and cloud connection, and same thing, like as we have created the account for Google Drive, we need to create one connection for the Dropbox. So after creating the connection, you need to give the name for the storage provider, like you need to select the storage provider over here, that is Dropbox. Then you just need to give the root folder name as we gave in the Google Drive. So this root folder will be automatically created in your Dropbox once you authenticate it. Then the features like proxy downloads and enable backward sync will work similarly. Proxy downloads will help you to download the files or the attachments from Odoo as well as from your Dropbox cloud storage, and enable backward sync, so this will be a schedule action which will help to sync all of the updates from your Dropbox to Odoo. Then this will show that it is active Dropbox Business. So like if you want to authenticate using your Dropbox Business team space, then you need to enable this and then click on authenticate with Dropbox, so it will authenticate using the business team space of your Dropbox. Then disable public links. So if you enable this option, so Odoo will not automatically generate public shared links when you are uploading files to Dropbox. It will force the file to remain private. So I have enabled this. Then to show you, I will just reset the connection. Then I will click on authenticate with Dropbox, continue, allow. So you can see the authentication was successfully completed. You can just close the window and refresh the page in your Odoo database. So now this is authenticated and the root folder remote ID has also been assigned in this field. Now if you go to your Dropbox and refresh, so you can see this folder is automatically created, that is the root folder Odoo storage. Now the next thing will be folder mapping rules. So I will create one folder mapping rule for the purchase model. So as this rule is for the purchase model, so whichever record I will create in my purchase module, so as soon as I open the record in my purchase module, will give me one extra tab of cloud connection, and the same folder will be created in my Dropbox account. The cloud connection I need to select here is Odoo Sync Dropbox, because I want to sync this Odoo database with my Dropbox account. Then the Odoo model, so I will select the model purchase order. Then the folder name expression, like what would be the name of the folder created in your Dropbox account. So it would be object.name, that is the reference of the purchase order will be the name of the folder over there in your Dropbox. This is the same, the maximum length can be set. You can set the sequence of this rule and you can show whether the rule is active or not. Then default subfolders, so you can create some subfolders as well. So I will create the subfolder bills and vendors. So automatically whenever you are opening any record in your purchase model, so along with the main folder, the subfolders will also be created. Here you can add the default template files if you want it to be uploaded every time the folder created. So for now, for this rule, I am not adding any default template files. I am just saving the rule. Now the rule has been created. Now I will go to my purchase model and I will open one purchase order, and here I can see the tab, that is cloud documents. So if I go to that tab, So you can see the main folder with the name of the purchase order reference has been created, that is object.name folder expression we have set in the rule. Then the two subfolders are also being created over here. Now the same folder will be created in your Dropbox as well. Here you can see in the root folder this folder is created, and inside that two subfolders are also created. Now from here I will upload one file. This I have uploaded and it is under process. Like here you can see the process is going on, the sync is pending. So it is a schedule action which will run after some time. Then only this upload will be seen in your Dropbox. But for now I will manually run the schedule action. So by going in operation and queue monitor, here you will be able to see all the records which are in queue. Like currently you have uploaded one file from Odoo, so its sync is pending, so it will be seen in pending status. If I open that, and we have provided this button which will run the scheduler manually, and it will help you to sync the uploaded image on the spot immediately. Once done, the status will be changed from pending to completed. So now if I go back to that folder, that purchase order and cloud documents, now the process is completed. If I go to my Dropbox, and here I will be able to see that image has been uploaded. Now this is something I uploaded from here, but if I am uploading from the chatter, so from chatter also it's uploaded. Now I refresh it, so here also it is under process. So again I will go to my cloud storage sync, operations and queue monitor. So you can see it is under pending status. If I open it and force sync now, if I go back to my Dropbox, so I will be able to see this banner has also been added over here. Then the next thing is under operations, if you go to secure portal shares, so this is something we have provided to share the folders using a specific link. If I click on new and I give a name as purchase order, now this is the share name, like I want to share the purchase order folder. Now from which cloud connection I want to share the folder. So for now I'm selecting Dropbox sync, then the shared folder. So once I select the cloud connection, so it will show it to me all the folders which are created in my Dropbox using this module. So as I have created this folder because I opened the record of this purchase order, so I'm selecting this shared folder. Then the portal partner, like if I want to give access to some specific user only, like only this specific user should have the access of this folder, so I can set the user from here. Then I can set the expiry date, like when the link of this shared folder will be expired. Access mode, we have provided two access mode, like if the user gets the link, then the user can just read the content or the folders or the PDF inside it, or the user can read and write, that is make the changes in that folder as well. Then once done, we have some workspace permissions as well, like allow search and filter, which helps the user to allow the search and filter some records. Then it helps the user to allow downloads whenever the link is shared, and allow uploads, like if this is enabled, then the user will be able to upload some files or some attachments in that folder as well. Then link settings, once you are making this portal share, then you will be able to see one link will be generated. If you copy the link and if you open that link, so you will be redirected to the folder which we have selected. So here you can see the name of the share, and this is the root folder. In it there are two subfolders, there are two images, so this can be accessible. But here if you are setting any specific user, for example I have given access to only this user. If I again go back and refresh, so you will see this message that access denied, because here in my Odoo I am logged in with my administrator account, but the user which has the access is someone different. So in your Odoo also you should be logged in with this user, and then if you open the link then you will be able to access it. So this is something related to secure portal shares. Then sync audit logs, so you can see all of the logs while syncing, like which one was successfully synced, in which you were not able to sync properly, what was the error. So all those logs can be seen from here. Then under configurations, after folder mapping rules, like you can create multiple folder mapping rules for different models, whichever attachments you want to see over there. Then the next thing is file tags. So from here you can create some tags, like for now I'm creating a purchase tag. So the tags created can be assigned to the files or the attachments, and that can be seen in your PDFs or the attachments which you are attaching. Then by going to this configuration, I'm in this menu, that is File Explorer. So here you will be able to see all of the folders or the files related to all of your cloud connections. Like here you can select the connections of which connection you want to see. Currently I have selected as all connections, so I can see the directory for the Google Drive as well, and for the Dropbox as well. But if I just want to see the folders or the files related to Dropbox, then I can select this connection from here. So only the folders related to the Dropbox account will be visible to me. So from here you can see the main folder is visible over here. Then we have provided the option like you can create the subfolder inside this. Then if you click on this option, so you will be redirected to the folder in your Dropbox. Then open link record will help you to open the record from which this folder was created. Then if again I go back to my file explorer, so after that we have the option of downloading the zip file for this folder or deleting the folder as well. Then the tags created in your Odoo can be seen over here once they are created. Also you can set the tags in your file, like if you select the file in this folder and right click on it, so you can manage tags, save tags. So the tag will be applied to this specific file. Also the tags created over there in Odoo will be visible here, and you can assign those to the files. Then right clicking on the file as well, you can download the file. You can open this specific file in Dropbox, like you will be redirected to Dropbox account, and you can delete the file. Then we have option of moving the files as well, like if you select this multiple files and if you click on this button, that is move files to folder, so you can select the destination folder which are available. If you click on this folder and click on move files, so those files will be moved from this main folder to the destination folder selected. Then if I go back to my Dropbox and inside this folder, if I upload one file, this is something I have uploaded from my Dropbox inside this bills folder. Now in this file explorer, it will be seen after some time, like when the schedule action will run, but currently instead of waiting for that time to come, I will search for the schedule action and run it manually. So this is the schedule action for the backward sync, like if I am updating anything in my Dropbox and the same changes I want to be seen over here, then this is the schedule action which will run every 15 minutes, and for now I'm running it manually. Once done, if I again go back to my cloud storage and file explorer, then if I select Odoo Sync Dropbox connection and go to bills, so here I will be able to see that image has been uploaded. Then the next thing, if I go to configuration and cloud connections, if I open this connection, so here you can see the button pause sync. So the pause sync is something like that. Currently, as we have created the schedule actions for backward sync and for syncing the attachments from here to your Dropbox, so the sync is continuously going on in the backend. But if you want to pause the sync, so you can pause it using this button, and after some time if you want to resume it again, so you can again resume it. So again the sync will start automatically. Then the next thing is the button for reversal sync. So this is something related to restore all of your files over here in Odoo. Like for that you need to just select the cloud connection, like which cloud connections or attachments or the folders and the files you want over here in Odoo. So after selecting the cloud connection, you need to select the folder, like in which of the folders you want that files to be seen, and the folders will be seen from the rule name, like which rule name you have created for this specific cloud connection, so that will be seen. And after selecting the rule folder rule, then you just need to select the reversal action, like do you want to just restore it and keep a copy over there in your cloud connection that is in Dropbox, or you want to restore and delete it from your cloud connection. So if you select the first one, so it will be restored over here and it will be deleted from your Dropbox. Once adding all the details, you can just click on this button that is start reversal sync, which will help you to sync all of your data from your Dropbox, that is your cloud storage connection, to Odoo. Now the last thing is, like if you go to configuration and folder mapping rules, if you open any rule, that is this is the rule for the sale order, that is the sale model. So here in the cloud connection, if I change the cloud connection from Dropbox to Google Drive, that is I want to migrate my data from my Dropbox account to Google Drive. So just I need to go to the rule for that, and I need to change the cloud connection, and if I click on save, now the next thing is, like if I go to the folder mapping rules, and this is the folder created for Dropbox. Like initially in the video I selected the cloud connection as Dropbox, but now instead of Dropbox I am selecting the Google Drive and I am saving it. So you will get one warning, like it will be a process of migration. So if you have changed the cloud connection from the initial cloud connection and then you click on migrate or reattach files, so what it will do is, like it will transfer all of your data from your Dropbox account to your Google Drive account, and you will be able to see all those folders and files in your Google Drive account. So this was the functionality of our module using Dropbox storage provider. Thank you.